Metal detectors remain one of the most accessible ways to explore hidden history, recover lost items, and inspire outdoor education. With a broad price spectrum from budget to premium, buyers must evaluate coil size, IP rating, detection modes, and target discrimination to match their intended use: beach hunting, relics, coin shooting, or family-friendly treasure hunts.
Product number 1. Metal detector for adults, professional. The Green Rex model positions itself as a versatile all-around detector with a 10-inch IP68 coil and a larger backlit LCD. It offers 5 detection modes: all metal, disc, memory, jewelry, and pinpoint, and a claimed depth of up to 7 inches, aided by a new DSP chip and auto-balance tech. The build emphasizes travel readiness with an adjustable length up to 132 centimeters and a collapsed size for easier packing, plus a rugged, water-friendly coil suitable for beaches and shallow water, control box not waterproof. In practice, the 5-mode suite covers most hobbyist scenarios, from general coin hunting to pinpointing jewelry. The oversized LCD aids readability in bright sun and low-light conditions, and the 5 sensitivity levels help adapt to mineralized soils. The 10-inch IP68 coil improves ground coverage, but users should note that the control box is not waterproof, so full submersion is not advised. Assembly is quick, and included accessories, headphones, shovel, and bag add value for travelers and family hunts.
Product number 2. GoGo Nova Metal Detector for Adults. GoGo Nova presents a compact, family-friendly detector with an 8-inch IP68 waterproof coil and 2 primary modes: all metal and disc. The design prioritizes age-inclusive use: adjustable stem, 39.3 inches to 51.3 inches, and an intuitive LCD with backlight for beginners. The emphasis on an all-ages fit makes it appealing for parent-child hunts and casual hobbyists who value simplicity and portability. Performance-wise, the 8-inch coil balances depth with maneuverability, suitable for sand and shallow water, while the IP68 rating ensures durability in wet environments. The kit includes a detection carry bag, shovel, and headphones, which lowers the barrier to entry for newcomers. However, with just 2 main modes, discriminating more than a couple of metals can be limited, and the heavier, longer configuration may not be as ergonomic for long sessions. Best used as an introductory unit or family hunting kit rather than a serious relic or gold hunting tool. Product number 4. Metal detector for adults, waterproof. 2000 mAh chargeable professional cordless gold detector with LCD display. OKASAM offers a cordless, rechargeable metal detector with a 10-inch IP68 coil and a claimed 20-hour battery life from a 2000 mAh pack. It features 4 detection modes: all metal, disc, notch, and pinpoint, and a versatile adjustable length of 26.8 inches to 50 inches. The unit emphasizes long runtime and portability, with included accessories like a shovel, headphones, charging cable, and backpack, making it a strong value option at under $60. In terms of usability, the OKASAM detector balances depth and practicality with DSP-driven depth performance up to 10 inches. The notch mode provides a flexible discrimination approach, and the cordless design reduces cable clutter, enhancing field mobility. However, builders should note that field performance can be affected by highly mineralized soil or interference, and the IP68 claim primarily applies to the coil, not the control housing.
Product number 3. 13-inch metal detector for adults, professional. This Vivan RC model is a premium feel option with a large 13-inch double D waterproof coil designed to maximize coverage and depth. It includes 3 professional search modes: all metals, disc, and pinpoint, and a responsive LCD with backlight for use in bright sun or low light conditions. The 49.21-inch maximum length and IP54 rating reflect a balance between performance and portability, aimed at serious hobbyists seeking deeper targets and speedier sweeps.
With a 13-inch coil, the detector can cover more ground per sweep and offer deeper penetration in non-mineralized soils, while the pinpoint function accelerates precise target localization. The device emphasizes user comfort through adjustable length and a lightweight 1.54-pound chassis, making it easier to handle for longer sessions. The trade-off is that IP54 offers moderate water resistance, not full underwater use, and the higher price reflects the premium coil and display features. This model is well suited for users upgrading from basic units who want deeper targets and more precise pinpointing.
Product number 5. Bounty Hunter TK4 Tracker 4 Metal Detector All-Terrain Gold. The TK4 Tracker 4 is a long-running, widely adopted model with a rugged, all-terrain design and an 8-inch waterproof coil. It offers 3 modes: all metal, tone, and discrimination, suitable for coin shooting, jewelry, and relic hunting. This unit leans on analog simplicity and a proven ergonomic form factor, with a 2x9-volt battery setup providing substantial runtime and a very approachable user experience for beginners. In practice, the TK4 shines as an entry-level device that remains capable in varied environments, from beaches to forests. The 8-inch coil provides solid balance of depth and ground coverage, though it doesn't match the depth potential of larger coils. Its analog controls and straightforward interface reduce the learning curve, making it ideal for families and casual hobbyists who want quick results. The model's USA-made branding and strong community support add to its reliability in the budget segment.